Welcome, and thanks for joining us for Links 007 TV World Cup update. So I know many of the fans right now are very worried as it relates to the outcome of the World Cup, and a number of teams have been getting some real whipping on the fields, and the fans right now don't know what to expect in any of these games that are being played. So as you know, the World Cup is underway in Qatar, and a number of teams have so far participated so far and have actually played their first match. But all I can say, this World Cup seems a bit different. I'm not that excited about the whole entire thing like how I normally usually be excited about the whole entire World Cup itself. But all I know that it's still fun, people are enjoying themselves. There have been so much disappointment, so much teams have stunned other teams, and it's one of those things that we're really looking forward here at Links 007 TV to actually see who is going to become victorious on taking home that crown of World Cup champion 2022. So a number of matches have been planned for today, and I'm going to try to provide some updates in relation to that as well. But you can just drop it in the comment section. Let me know how you feel about this World Cup itself. Let me know if you have been watching the games. Let me know if you have been enjoying the game. Let me know also which team are you supporting for the World Cup in the comment section. I look forward to hear that response from you as well. So the World Cup is on in earnest, and I can tell you that the fans right out there right now, they're having a wonderful time. There have been some real sad moments as well, and some real upsets that have taken place within the World Cup itself so far. And a number of fans right now, trust me, they're not in the best of mood based on some defeats that have been taking place, and a number of popular teams that were expected to have played well, they actually disappointed their fans. However, that is the game of football, and I don't want people to actually be taking the whole entire thing seriously like how they normally do from time to time. As you know, some people, they take the football game itself so seriously, and some of the time they even resort to violence and fighting over their actual team itself. But it's a good World Cup for 2022, even though I believe that the whole entire hosting of it this year just seemed a bit different, and that vibes and that level of camaraderie is not there at this point in time. But however, the World Cup is still on, and people are just actually enjoying and making the best of it. People have been tuning in from all different walks of life. Those who are able to travel to Qatar, they're actually there enjoying themselves and actually playing some wonderful games as well. So it's just basically that, and that's just how it goes. So even though that is said, people right across still are in a unpredictable state right now. I don't think no one can definitely state who is going to be victorious in this year World Cup, because you know we had the pandemic and a number of teams are actually not training so readily on a day-to-day basis, and there have just been so much negative vibes leading up to the whole entire World Cup this time around. So this World Cup is a bit different from the many others that I've watched, and we just have to just wait and see what will actually transpire in this year's World Cup. Who will become victorious? I don't even want to say who I believe, but Argentina look like a good team, Brazil look like a good team as well, Belgium is actually performing very well as well, and a number of other teams as well are looking that they could be a top contender within the sport itself. But I can't pinpoint any teams right now that I would say that team is going to be the one that will take home that trophy of World Cup 2022. Or I don't want to speculate and then I'm wrong, so I'm just going to leave my options open for right now. But if you have anybody that you believe that you think will be World Cup champion 2022, you can always drop it in the comment section. Let me know, and you can just put it in the comment section as well. As I said before, let me know which team you are supporting at this point in time. I don't really have a specific team right now that I'm personally supporting. I'm just neutral at the moment. I'm just enjoying the sports itself as it goes along. I don't have a specific team that I'm saying that I'm supporting. I'm just enjoying each matches as they play and just see the level of skill and the level of teammanship that is actually going on within the sport. But it's a really good look for the world right now to actually have something that they could actually be entertained, especially on a day like today where you have a number of matches being played in that section of the world, Qatar. A number of people will be tuning into their TV sets in order to enjoy that wonderful moment as well. So it's a really good look right now for the sport of football, and it's a really good look as well for some high level entertainment and some actions on the field. So we just have to just hope and just may the best team win and just continue to support your team. And even when they lose, fans, just continue to just give them that support and just try your very best not to let the defeat let you think otherwise, because I know that some of the time the defeat will let you guys want to think and do negative things, but just know that it's just a game, and some of the time you're gonna win, some of the time you're gonna lose, and we just have to just have that mindset and just try to just make your team be successful at this year's World Cup. So this is where I'm going to leave my little talk on the World Cup for 2022. Have a blessed and productive day from the Links 007 TV team. As always, peace out and have a blessed day.